With QR codes at every turn and mobile wallets at our fingertips, getting around city in China has gotten much easier. Hey Tom, pop quiz. Do you know how this cash-free payment system caters to international visitors?
Wow, I know this one. It's the BEIJING PASS, and it's great for international visitors when they make purchases on transportation, shopping, and even tourist sites.
Exactly. Without further ado, let's explore how the BEIJING PASS works.
Sounds great. Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Great, thank you. Can you tell me more about the BEIJING PASS?
Okay, no problem. BEIJING Pass is a transportation card for foreign visitors exploring China, issued by Beijing Municipal Government. The card is available for recharge.
Great. And how and where to use the BEIJING PASS?
Okay, follow me here.
Sure.
BEIJING Pass supports the use of public transportation in over 300 cities in China, such as Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and so forth, as well as designated commercial and cultural tourism sectors in Beijing.
And how can I buy a BEIJING PASS?
The card can be purchased at designated transit stations, such as Beijing Nan Railway Station, Beijing Xi Railway Station, Beijing Railway Station, Xijimen Station, and so forth.
Can you show me how to buy the BEIJING PASS?
Okay, follow with me.
Thank you. Hello, I'm a U.S. citizen, a foreign visitor, and I would like to get a BEIJING PASS.
Please show your passport.
Sure.
40 yuan.
This is great. I now have the BEIJING PASS, and I want to try it out. Just tap the card and we're good to go. No cash, no coins. It's so super convenient.
Definitely, with the BEIJING PASS, we can easily hop on the subway and head to our first stop. Where would you want to go first?
I would like to go to Beihai Park. It's a beautiful park for nature.
That sounds great. Let's go.
Good.
Here we are at Beihai Park. Let's see if we can use the BEIJING PASS to purchase a ticket.
Sure, I would love to. Hello, I would like to use my BEIJING PASS to buy a ticket to Beihai Park. Okay. Thank you. With the BEIJING PASS, buying a ticket is a breeze.
Yeah, it's like everything's connected to this one card.
I'm really impressed. This makes exploring Beijing so much more convenient.
Yeah, it's all about making our trip more smoother and enjoyable. By the way, Tom, is there a similar card like this in the United States?
Not exactly like the BEIJING PASS, but we do have transit cards for specific cities like the Metro card in New York or the Clipper card in San Francisco, as well as city passes like the New York Pass, which provides access to multiple attractions. These cards, however, usually focus on either transportation or attractions and aren't as versatile as the BEIJING PASS. After a full day of exploring, I'm hungry.
Oh, well, I know some stores take BEIJING PASS for payments. Let's try it out.
Sure, let's do it. I would like to use a BEIJING PASS. Okay, thank you. And just like that, the payment is done. It saves so much time and effort.
Absolutely. It really makes our lives simpler when you are traveling. Whether you are exploring the city's landmarks or buying what you need, it's all integrated. No hassle, no fuss. Tom, as we wrap up our trip today, how do you like the BEIJING PASS?
This card is incredible. I'm definitely going to recommend this to anyone coming to Beijing.
You know, Tom, it's not just Beijing. Many other cities across China have also implemented similar measures to ensure a smooth travel experience for international visitors. For instance, the Shanghai Pass, a multi-purpose prepaid card for foreign visitors launched this May, can be used for payments at tourist boards, convenience stores in Shanghai, and for public transportation over 330 Chinese cities.
Wow, that's amazing. Thanks to these measures, international visitors can explore China with greater ease, enjoying a smooth and worry-free experience.